Good morning, everyone. How are you doing? I'm out today for the reopening of the art gallery, the Tate Modern. After 4 months closure due to the lockdown, Tate Modern is one of my major playgrounds for street photography, so I want to see how things are now that they are reopening. So let's go. And so I'm inside now, ready to take as many pictures as possible, like I used to, inside this amazing building that is the Tate Modern. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Oh yes, very good. It's so good to be back in here at the Tate Modern. I love this place, absolutely love this place. And I'm out. It's been so good. Yeah, so really good to be back at the Tate. I didn't film much inside because I don't want to run into any copyright claim with either YouTube or the Tate or anyone. But it was really good to be back inside. There were not too many people, so I guess that the photo that came out of it were pretty minimalistic. But it's a style that I like, so I don't really mind. This is really one of the best spots for street photography. I mean, the architecture is just amazing, and there are plenty of spots where you can actually take good pictures, like in my style, with bold shadows and nice contrast between lights and shadows. So yeah, one of my biggest playgrounds for street photography in London. I really love it, and I'm so glad it's open again. And now I'm gonna wander a little bit around the Tate Modern and see if I can get any more pictures.
half expecting all these ones to be destroyed, you know, and I don't know, I've worked so hard. Actually, what I realised, one of the nice things about working at home is, so you do this work and at some point you may sell it and then you may have some financial security. And so when you're working in a way where you don't have the support of authorities, then it makes it kind of like difficult in the sense that they're either going to destroy what you do. Ideally, you know, if they understood, you know, how do I put it, you know, that it does fulfil in society, it has a value, and it should be, you know, one should be helped to continue to work, because you can demonstrate for so many years, but in the end you need it's nice to have support. And for a long time at first I did have problems, you know, and I used to be removed, and they used to remove the pictures as well, but that hasn't happened for a long time.
Good.
But the main thing is to do the art and celebrate human creativity.
Yeah.
If you can find an art form which does kind of celebrate people and people's lives, then it would be nice to be able to support that.
Yeah.
But I find I get a lot of support in countries in Europe, but not so much here. I worked in Ghent, I worked in Brussels, you know, I worked in France, Norway, Zurich, but I've never, I mean, there have been some community projects where I've had some kind of support, but not enough by any means.
Yes.
Well, thank you for doing that.
Oh, thank you very much. It's a pleasure. Take care.
Oh yeah, so happy I met Ben on the bridge. I absolutely love his work, his chewing gum work on the Millennium Bridge. It's just amazing. Take something that people consider rubbish and turn it into art. I'll put a link below to Ben's page so you can see his Instagram account and follow him. Such a talented artist. Absolutely love him. He's been doing that for 16 years, I think he said. 16 years of chewing gums. Wow. Just wow. Anyway, I'm in St. Paul's right now. Gonna take a few more pictures here and then head back home. But yeah, see you guys.